So picture this. Try and buy something from a website with a currency they do not accept. Would that even work? Try get into the country with banknotes that they do not take. Can you buy anything? This is a problem that many cryptocurrency investors are facing nowadays. There are simply way too many cryptocurrencies out there and less people accepting them. So in this series, I'm going to explore the currencies that are used mostly by artists in the NFT space. And I'm going to explain why I have most of my holdings in Ethereum currency. So if you've been following my journey, I've been working a lot with NFTs and I've been immersing myself so much into the crypto space. And just like normal money, which is fiat, have so many currencies, crypto have a lot more currencies as well. And just like any currency, the ones that are stronger are the ones that are being used in most marketplaces. And just like euro being used in almost all Europe, that's how I feel about Ethereum. So the Ethereum is the most active blockchain used to date. So it makes sense to me that I'm putting a lot of my money in there because I want to do a lot more transactions in the crypto space. And the way I feel about it, if I wanted to go to Spain for one day, I can just still use the euro. And if I just wanted to jump and go to Italy, I still use the euro. And hey, if I wanted to go to Germany, it's still euro. And that's the same thing about Ethereum. It doesn't matter what marketplace I go in, I can still use the same wallet, the same currency anywhere I go. And the NFT space is heavily invested in the Ethereum ecosystem. That is, just doesn't make sense to use anything else at the moment. And the Ethereum blockchain uses something called the smart contract. And it's an awesome feature to use because anyone can deploy a smart contract. Just write the contract and deploy it in the Ethereum blockchain, and anyone can interact with it really. So what I can do is, let's say for example, I wanted to sell like 5 of those pieces and someone comes in and tries to buy 6. It comes at an error because I only have 5. But if he puts 5, he's gonna go ahead and run the transaction, it will go through. And this is just one of the usages of the smart contract. You can do that in anywhere. You can do it not just with NFTs, you can do it with real world as well. Like if you wanted to turn on a switch by just sending money to it, you can just go ahead and write a smart contract to deploy that and just send the money and it will turn on for a specific period of time. And the second reason why I use Ethereum is because I mint a lot of artwork online and I need some liquid Ethereum handy so I can go ahead and deploy it on the network. And sometimes I even buy some NFTs, so I need that. And it just makes sense to me that I just have that handy whenever I want it, so I can just go ahead and use it. And minting artwork is cheap. It just depends on the day and the time, and you can just mint it for a few bucks. And that kind of like takes the pressure out of trying to go into a gallery and putting your art there and paying a fee and transferring. So everything is just online with the contract, with the terms that you want, without having any third-party intervention. And the last thing I like about it is Ethereum 2.0, which is coming in the next years. Basically, you can stake your Ethereum to give you some passive income, and that's something I'm very, very excited about. So when that is ready and it's deployable, I'm definitely going to do some of that. And the best part is, because Ethereum is widely used everywhere, it is one of the easiest currencies to buy to date. And I'm going to show you how to buy that in the next video. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like and a comment. It'll help me with the algorithm and help the channel grow. And if you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy this video as well, where I talk about the ETH project that I'm launching. And it's part of the other reason why I'm using Ethereum, because I'm launching this big project that I haven't done ever before. And I think you'll like it. But just remember, take it one day at a time, and I'll see you in the next video.